Good morning, Jet from Why Not Wellness here. Glad to see you today. Glad you came to join me. Today, what I want to do is talk a little bit about our lymphatic system. So, I'm a manual lymphatic drainage massage therapist. I am certified with the Vater technique through close training for manual lymph drainage. We will get into manual lymph drainage and what it is in another video. Today, I just want to talk about what the lymphatic system in our body does, because it's not something that gets talked about a lot out in the world. In fact, we should be talking about it more often because it does a lot of things for us. So, the lymphatic system includes lymphatic vessels, which look like and act like our blood vessels. So our arteries, our veins, and our lymphatic vessels look a lot like each other. In fact, they serve similar purposes, but they're not quite the same. With our blood vessels, it circulates our blood cells with a fluid called plasma. And, that's what gives us, it oxygenates our cells. It takes the carbon dioxide from ourselves to get out of our system. What the lymphatic system does is it takes all of the things that are within our cellular matrix. So we all have cells, and then it's all kind of protected with extracellular fluid. So there's a little bit of a buffer between ourselves so that things don't get all crazy. And what this does, the lymph system, is it takes proteins that are undigested from our cells or produced by our cells to transport to other places. It takes cellular debris. So cells that die, they kind of go poof. And the lymphatic system will take that debris and move that into the lymph nodes, and we'll get to that later. So it takes all the stuff, all of the byproducts from our cells, from daily living. It moves that into through our lymphatic system into our lymph nodes. So lymph nodes, I'm sure you've heard, the lymph nodes here are what we were used to. Those tonsils. We also have lymph nodes in through here, in our armpits, and in that crease where our legs meet our pelvis. What these lymph nodes do, and we have a lot of them. What they do is they take all of that debris and all of that stuff that has come through our lymphatic vessels, and it's a process of it. It's kind of like a Pac-Man, where they eat, the Pac-Man eats the ghosts, nom nom nom. But it does that with the cellular debris. It takes that all the stuff, the debris, the proteins, and it breaks it down, and it goes through this process several times. And as the debris is broken down and taken care of, and by the way, this is also where any bacteria that gets into our body can be broken down by these lymph nodes as well. Our white blood cells, have a party in our lymph cells. So as this debris gets broken down, it gets cycled through our body so that it can be released out of the body. So, when we go to the bathroom. That's where the debris tends to go to. And as the debris goes, the lymph fluid that was carried into our cells, our lymph nodes, get recycled back into the body because it's now all clean again. And, nothing is ever lost. It's always renewed. So, as I was saying, it picks up that cellular debris, the large proteins that can't go into our blood system. It also picks up fats in our digestive system. That is how the fats get transported to our cells. Healthy fats are important. Please don't come into my comments saying that all fats are bad. All fats are not bad. Our bodies do need fats to process. And the lymph system will get it to where it needs to go so that we can have good things in our bodies. This is the general workings of our lymph system. I know it's not a very long video. I didn't want it to be a very long video just because it's a lot of information. So in our next video that I will be posting more about manual lymph drainage and what that does and how it helps our bodies in general. Okay? Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you for joining my jet talk. And I hope you all have a great day.